Welcome to Action Verbs Part 5. In this lesson, we will learn 5 important action verbs: open, close, start, stop, and finish. These are basic verbs that you use every day in English. The first verb is open. Open means to move or cause something to move so that it is no longer closed. When you open something, you make it accessible. For example, you can open a door, open your eyes, or open a window. Open is the opposite of close. The second verb is close. Close means to move or cause something to move so that it covers an opening. When you close something, you shut it. For example, you can close a door, close your book, or close the curtains. Close is the opposite of open. The third verb is start. Start means to begin or cause something to begin an action or process. When you start something, you make it begin. For example, you can start the engine of a car, start a project, or start running. Start means the same as begin. The fourth verb is stop. Stop means to end or cease an action or movement. When you stop something, you make it end. For example, you can stop the car by pressing the brakes, stop talking, or stop the machine. Stop is the opposite of start. The fifth verb is finish. Finish means to complete or bring something to an end. When you finish something, you complete it. For example, you can finish your homework, finish a race, or finish eating your food. Finish means the same as complete. Now let us practice using these verbs. Here are 3 sentences with blanks. Try to fill in the correct verb. The first sentence is, please blank the window before you leave. The answer is close. The second sentence is, I need to blank my work by 5 p.m. today. The answer is finish. The third sentence is, can you blank the car engine for me? The answer is start. Try these sentences yourself. Let us review what we learned. Open means to move something so it is no longer closed. Close means to move something so it covers an opening. Start means to begin an action or process. Stop means to end or cease an action. And finish means to complete something. These 5 verbs are essential in everyday English. Practice using them in your daily conversations. Thank you for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.